Home is more than just a space. It's a reflection of who we are and the stories we cherish. Whether you are building a new home or a designer shaping someone else's dream home, the right furniture makes all the difference. At DEEKE Collection, we provide you furniture that fits perfectly into your dream space. We bring wide range of globally inspired designs into your space, making it unique and special. Designed and crafted in Jodhpur, our furniture has been continuously chosen by leading architects and interior designers to bring their visions to life. Behind each piece of furniture lies a team of dedicated artisans crafting with great care and attention to detail, ensuring top-notch quality. Our furniture seamlessly integrates into your space with its refined design and superior quality. Explore our diverse range of furniture at www.deekecollection.com, where you can browse our latest collections and find inspiration for your next project. Let DEEKE Collection be the partner in creating interiors that not only fulfill but elevate your dream space vision.